Hi, I'm Kyym. I am a Jamaican trans woman and I would love to live peacefully amongst my Jamaican people. I have been a victim of stigma, discrimination, and a near-death physical assault. I was brutally beaten, dumped, and left to die. I have really bad experiences with my own Jamaican people who continue to punish me for being who I am. Am I not considered a part of Jamaicans' future because of my identity? How sad is that? I have dreams of becoming an influential person who contributes and to help build my home, Jamaica. I should be allowed to do so. I should be allowed to live my dream and live it well. I would love to live amongst people who can love, respect, and accept me for me. I deserve to live. I am Jamaican. We are Jamaicans.
But tonight we're gonna be alright.